Hey y'all, I wanted to give you a sneak peek of this really cute, adorable hairstyle, okay? Alright, taking it back to the 90s a little bit. Yeah, so sorry for being MIA, but let's get into it. Hey, it's time to slay. This is a 13x6 lace frontal, 2 combs on the side, 1 big comb in the back. And this also comes with a band for a more secure fit, okay, and the standard issue adjustable straps. I'm removing the lace, and I unfortunately had to perform open lace surgery on this here faux scalp material. I am so over the faux scalp material, ladies. I just can't express it enough. So if you ladies were wondering how to remove it properly, with minimal shedding as a result, please slow the video down and try to remove it as close to how I did it, so you can see what I did and hopefully have some success, right? So I go in on the reverse side. I paint the lace with my Fit Me foundation liquid in the color 322. I have been rocking with that for the longest. I think it's much better to tint my lace with than even New York lace tint or any other lace tints out there, because my foundation, my Fit Me foundation, doesn't tend to melt into my baby hair and get all in into the baby hair and make it look dirty, okay? So I decided to part the top of this 13x6 lace front in 4 parts. Really, if you count it, it's probably 3, but for this really cute mini bun style, I wanted to do a updo because it's the curl pattern was a little off when it came to this wig, and you ladies will see it once I break it down in the review and tell you what I thought about it. So because I decided to wear all of the hair in the front up, I decided to go in with really big, pretty, flamboyant baby hairs, just to create that not so much a distraction, but just to style it really cute, just to tie in the whole look. And it is done, okay, voila, she's on. You see what I mean with the big, pretty baby hairstyle? Oh, it just looks so adorable, okay? It's just giving me real 90s. It's giving me real it girl. So stay tuned to what I think about her. Hey, JuiceDrops, JuicyNashae here, and I'm back to show you already know, a really cute wig, okay? So it's different. It's a lot going on. Okay, so what's her name? Girl, her name is Echo, y'all. Okay, and even though I just showed y'all the color, what do I have Miss Echo in? I have her in the F430 Frost, okay? So, yeah. Right. Miss Echo is a part of Motown Tress HD Invisible Lace. She is a 13x6, and she does feature a faux scalp, okay? Alright? So, before I rant and rave about this wig and what I think of Miss Echo, let's get into her further details here. Okay, ladies, now that we're back from Echo's further details, let's get into her 360 right here. Okay, ladies, now that we're back from Echo's 360, let's get into a few pros, okay? Now, I have had Miss Echo on for probably about 2.5 days so far. Okay, so can I give you ladies 3 pros? Yes, I probably can, okay? Pro number 1, you get a lot of hair with this wig, okay? She is very voluminous. Apparently, as you can see, I got a lot going on, okay? And yeah, the 13x6 closure is true to its measurements, as you can see. She's giving real sideburn action, okay? All right, I ain't gonna show y'all, too much because I'll get into that when I get in your face. Okay, so pro number 2, this lace, okay, melted like butter, y'all. I think y'all done woke up to the glories of Motown Tress wigs because they seem to be selling a lot more than they once were when I first featured them on this channel. The first Motown Tress wig that I ever did on this channel was the L136007. Girl, I don't know, but I'm gonna put her picture like right here. Yeah, I like that wig. It was really cute. It was full, just as full as this one is, and I love the curl. But yeah, so this lace, y'all. This lace melted like butter, but of course, once I removed the full scalp. Now, do I have a third and final pro for this wig? My third and final pro for Miss Echo is she is big head friendly, okay? I have a 23-inch head with plenty of hair under this wig. It's braided down, but it fits my big noggin very comfortably. It does come with a band. And I might add, ladies, that once you remove the full scalp, it does give you a little extra stretch, okay? So, yeah. Do I have any more pros for this wig? Let's get off into y'all favorite part, the close-up. Let me get in your face. Okay, ladies, now that I'm back in your face, let me show you how I styled this baby hair, okay? And like I said, Miss Echo is a 13x6 lace front wig, and y'all already know when your girl gets her hands on a 13x6 or 13x7, I get creative. I get flamboyant. I want to try some things and do some things, okay? So this is the style I decided to style it. Okay, let me give you a sideburn to sideburn view here. Okay, now I did do my makeup while having this on, and like I said, I've been having it on for like 2 days now. So y'all already know your girl gets her wear and tear. So if it is a little crumb, that is why, okay? Let me get further in your face and show you how the way this lace blended. Okay, girl. Look, y'all can see because I'm in your face, but trust me, if I was way back here, y'all wouldn't be able to see, just any kind of lace holes, but I love it, okay? This lace melted like butter. Please, whoever else is sleeping on Motown Tress HD Invisible Lace wigs, y'all need to go ahead on and wake up. Okay, all right. So anyway, or should I say, when Miss Echo wake up? Okay, I'm gonna stop playing. So, I did a little swoop. I decided to make the baby hair really big, juicy, and dramatic because I have it in an updo. And most of the hair of the frontal is up. So I just wanted to kind of add that, really cute, really big, dramatic baby hair just to, so it won't look so naked around the lace's edge, okay? I don't know, I just gotta have big poofy baby hair going on, okay? So once again, let me give y'all a sideburn to sideburn action. I don't think it's Spanish for action, but I'm gonna use it though. And yeah, I decided to do 4 little boom, and girl, they will not stay. This hair is very silky. I'll get into the texture for the cons. Not that the texture is a con, but I'll get into it. So yeah, one more look, and I just left these really pretty waves. I left it out, and girl, I'm kind of glad that I went with a updo because this is a F4/30. So frost, as you can see. So this is a F430 frost, and girl, they always put all the luscious chunky streaks of 30 in the back. They don't never put it in the front. So that's another reason why I decided to do a updo, so that some of those pretty highlights could show. You would have never seen them if I didn't put this hair up. Okay, so that's why I just wanted to, you know, style it to where you can see how pretty and wavy and streaky the rest of the hair was. And so, ladies, I think that's it for the close-up. The close-up over. Let me get out your face. Okay, ladies, now that we're back from the close-up, let's get into the cons for Miss Echo. Get into what I rate her so I can let y'all go, okay? So, she's really cute. They love this color, okay? And this color is the bomb. I ain't gonna lie, it's a cute color if you can get your hands on it. The color on the stock card is 3T4 slash blonde, okay? That color is so cute. It did not look like this, ladies, when it first came out. It kind of was looking like blah. Like, the cutest part of this wig was the back, okay? The curls in the front was a lot more straighter. It was giving me flashbacks to Outrie's Annalise, okay? I'm gonna insert a picture of Annalise right here. Okay, yeah, so it was giving real Annalise vibes. And it's cute still, even down to the color, you know, like this S4/30 Frost. It's just, I don't know why they be so stingy with the 30, you know, streaks. You know, it's giving 4 with a little bit of, you know, 30. You know, it's just not giving, you know, half and half. But anywho, if I had to give you ladies 3 cons for Miss Echo, let's fire it off right here. Con number 1 is definitely the difference in the curl texture from the closure and the rest of the hair in the back. Like I said, it's this really pretty loose water wave kind of, you know, curl going on back here, whilst the closure is like really like it's a more silkier barrel curl kind of pattern, and it just didn't look right with the rest of this hair. So that's why I decided to, you know, put it all up and out the way, so that this true beauty in the back, this pretty wavy water, you know, wave hair could just shine. Okay, so yeah. Number 2, I hate to you know, like include this in the cons, but I have to. And it's the fact that I had to perform open lace surgery on the faux scalp that's included with this wig, okay? I really wish Motown Tress would just save their material, because I don't know about y'all ladies, but I don't need it. I don't need it. And all I do is end up having to cut this off. And when you do end up cutting the faux scalp out, it does make the wig shed more than I think it would shed if you didn't cut it out. And I just gotta cut it out, because that's the only way I can get this lace to melt flawlessly like butter without having to, you know, add all of my foundation, liquid, and powder. Okay? So, yeah, that is definitely a con. Do I have a third con for Miss Echo? If I had to give you ladies one last con for Miss Echo, it's kind of gonna be just a little like combination of a few cons, just micro kind of cons that I ran into. So yeah, she does tangle. Like I said, I've been having her on for like 2 days. 2 days and a half, and she does give you some snags in the back, but you know, that's to be expected. The only reason why I consider it a con is because I started to experience knotting or like you know, a little bit of kinking on the first day of wearing her. Yeah, and another thing, this color is just not giving half and half, and I'm just, look, if y'all gonna sell me a number 4 colored wig, then I want it all to be brown. If you gonna sell me, you know, 4/30, I'm gonna need more 30 with my 4/30. Okay, that's just how I'm feeling. Do I have any more cons that's a part of this third con that I'm giving you ladies? Like I said, she does shed. So I think that's it for the cons. So if I had to rate Miss Echo, I would definitely have to rate her a 6. I rate Echo a 6 despite the amount of hair you get with this wig. Despite it being a 13x6, giving you more creative, you know, space to do a cute little updo and whatever like that. You know, I got a bump up trying to just come off on cam. You know, even though you get a lot of hair and you can, you know, do an updo or keep it the way that it comes, it's kind of an underwhelming style. You know, like the stock car makes it look so pretty. Like you get these uniform curls and waves together, but you really don't, y'all. Like, I don't know. Like, it's just giving me real, you know, Annalise. The fact that these curls aren't uniform, I had to just do something wild, spunky. And that's probably a good thing, because at least with this style, you get to see how pretty these 30 colored highlights are and how pretty this water wave is in the back. You know, is she thin? Is she skimpy? Not really, you know. You probably see on the 360 how it's looking in the back. You know, but if she is a little skimpy in this style, it could be because I have it, you know, I'm wearing her in this style. So all of the hair is, you know, that comes with the closure is put up in these cute little bum bums and stuff. So yeah, with that, ladies, I'm not gonna hold you. Thank y'all so much for watching my tutorial and wig review for Miss Echo. I swear that's the last time I'm gonna do that. Anywho, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also follow your girl on Instagram at JuicyNashae as well. Bye. Mwah.